In today's video, we'll be exploring what the Plantae kingdom is, as well as its most important characteristics and classification. What is the Plantae kingdom? The Plantae kingdom, also called the plant kingdom, is one of the 5 main kingdoms made up of multicellular eukaryotic organisms that do photosynthesis. It includes all land plants like trees and flowers, as well as the plants that live in water and some types of algae. With over 390,000 known species, the plant kingdom is the second largest of the 5 kingdoms. Characteristics of the plant kingdom. They are multicellular and eukaryotic. They are sessile. Typically fixed in one location, plants often employ chemical defenses, producing harmful substances in their leaves, flowers, or fruits for protection. They are photosynthetic. Plants utilize photosynthesis, converting light energy, carbon dioxide, and water into sugars and oxygen. Some are parasitic. Certain plant species have evolved to obtain nutrients from other plants, rather than through photosynthesis. They have specialized structures. Plant cells are characterized by a rigid cell wall composed of pectin and cellulose and a prominent central vacuole. They have organelles. Photosynthesis occurs within specialized organelles called chloroplasts, which contain chlorophyll. They produce oxygen. Plants are very important because they produce oxygen that humans and animals need to breathe. They are primary producers. Plants are essential in nature because they make food that other living things need to survive. They reproduce sexually and asexually. They alternate generations. Plants have an interesting life cycle with 2 main stages. One stage has single copies of genes, and it's called haploid. Another stage has double copies of genes, which is called diploid. They live in diverse habitats. Plants exhibit remarkable adaptability, thriving in a wide range of habitats from arid deserts to polar regions. Classification of the Plantae kingdom. The plant kingdom is incredibly diverse, so to better understand it, we can classify plants into different groups. A common way to do this is by whether they produce flowers or not. Non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants come in 3 groups: thallophytes, bryophytes, and pteridophytes. Thallophytes, or algae. These are the simplest plant-like organisms. They make their own food through photosynthesis and live in various environments, from oceans and freshwater to even snow and inside of other organisms. They lack complex structures like roots or stems or leaves, and they don't form embryos. Examples include seaweed and pond scum. Bryophytes or mosses. These are the simplest land plants. You've probably seen them growing in damp, shady areas. They reproduce using spores and have simple structures resembling stems and leaves, but they lack true roots. Instead, they have tiny root-like hairs called rhizoids to anchor themselves and absorb water. And the last one is pteridophytes, or ferns. These are vascular plants, meaning they have specialized tissues to transport water and nutrients. They don't produce seeds or flowers, but reproduce using spores that form on their leaves. Flowering plants, also called seed plants, come in 2 groups: gymnosperms and angiosperms. Gymnosperms are plants that produce seeds, but not within fruits. The word gymnosperm means naked seed, because their seeds are exposed, often on cones. Conifers like pine trees and fir trees are classic examples. They are mostly woody plants and rely on wind for pollination. Then we have angiosperms. These are the most diverse and successful group of plants on Earth, with countless varieties of flowers, fruits, and seeds. Unlike gymnosperms, their seeds are enclosed within fruits, offering protection and aiding in dispersal. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more ecology videos like this. Until next time.